Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another mistake. I think $100 that funny gun, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Guess some of them have a Gallis them side. But to link up with Gallis, I actually reach over here. I'm at the gas station right now. It take me a good little while to reach over here, but I'm here, you know. So we just gas up. I'm not gonna link Gallis right now. I'm there 6 minutes, I think. 6 minutes and yeah, so when we link him, I go see what I go on, what the vibe, and I wanna get some content today, you see me? So go and stay tuned and mad up on yourself. I do it for the vlog. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so we officially reach. Guess what we're there?
Cookings are going on, man. You know, this time I cook off, you know, we are collab right now.
Alright, so yeah, we are collab around a pot.
Competition right now.
Yeah, but we have a cook off I go do. We don't live in the comment section if you don't want.
And you know what we want to do? We
What?
want to like them decide what
What we for
can
cook? That with a good. Yeah, left in the comment section what we for cook. Right now, he might cook jerk chicken, but he might cook it female on the stove.
You never see it before, man. Watch.
Yeah, man, me never see it that way there yet. Me gonna tell you if it bad or not. But so far the pot smell, me I smell the pot already.
Yeah,
you see me, you know white rice is my favorite already.
Yeah, man, that
See
done
there?
already.
Indeed, it's a what?
What?
Indeed, with it perfect, man. You know, say most people like cook with rice cooker. Me think of that here go for.
No, that.
You see, you think it's a rice cooker here go for cook the rice in the dog.
You can't cook rice and I'm asleep, bro. That's
Oh.
anybody who can't cook rice like this and them use rice cooker?
So,
Brother, I can't already.
yeah, man, me like cook rice on stove like this. Me not cook in a oven or in a rice cooker on the stove. So, if I cook the jerk chicken, you know my specialty, the salmon. Me don't want to do honey glazed salmon, but me I just surprise the pot, you see me?
Yeah, man, surprise.
Me I surprise the pot. That salmon here go bad, you see me? This is the only piece them did have left there. I mean, never two did like it. I like the thicker more salmon. But we are going to work with this. When Dixie? We are going to work with this.
You cut the skin off, right?
Yeah. Because I don't like the skin on it neither, you know that.
When they do the skin,
Yeah, I always make them cut it up and cut off the
I
skin.
already know if you do it, so then take off whole like salmon. When you
Waste
cut
it.
skin off, that's why it's skin, man.
Yeah, man, it maga for real. Because it did more weightier than this one I buy. But today we will shoot, well, anything we forward, we are going to just create. You see me? But for a fact, I bring my camera and thing, but I want to shoot one short film with Gallis. I will pick two girls. I tell him pick the girl them.
Yeah.
So, the girl them acting upon Gallis. I know them are going to do good because I don't make them do no all.
But you shoot short films. I
True.
do skits by myself and talking in background.
So, but this is something different for you. Alright, this is something different for you.
For me and them too.
Alright. I first, them are going to do it.
Yeah, first time I do it, so it's a debut for the 3 hours.
Adapt me like do shit with people who never do it before. So alright. We are gonna create magic to the phone, no? So we can stay tuned for that. We are gonna run a pot and catch a vibe and wait till the two girls them pull up.
Going forward, yeah.
Yeah man, a young star and everybody
Treat
else.
them good too, you know, them work with it, them get
Food!
from there.
Food! We are cook food, so we go on. You see me? My girlfriend said me can't cook and I carry no food, so I don't know.
Yeah, man, she got only for food for you.
So vlog world, look what happened. This is not for me. Gallis.
And him do it, you know.
Alright.
They are going good.
By the count of 3, we're going to show her who. 1, 2.
3. Your blood.
She come in here and put me thing on boil. Put the bottom grill on the top. Bucket stove.
800 degrees, you put the broil pan.
Me never
Look how she burn up Mr. Man, man.
Watch out.
Jesus Christ. We still are going to eat it, you know.
Yeah, man, just scrape off the ash off.
You say, she just...
No, man, you're wicked, man.
Where you come over here come mash up with dining for?
No, nobody eat.
Yeah, I can't cook.
Me tell her don't go to
You can't cook? So everybody, she's going to be one of the star actors them night. It's so funny, she's going to play the crazy girl. So, yeah, you want to introduce yourself?
That's a good start.
Yeah, man, she had a good start.
That's a good start.
She had a good start. What name you want name for the
I
movie?
don't know yet. Never think about it.
You have to come up with the name, your name for the movie.
Okay, let's give me one name.
Girl, it's a short theme food, you know.
I'm getting fucked, bro. Yeah, share the food when cook good.
She She kill me summer, dog. Me summer never done.
Bro, are you cooking someone?
No, you blame me. Me I blame myself too. Cause me don't know why me give you why. I that me I say me don't know why me give you authority if you put me salmon in the friggin'.
Wait a
Need a catch it. It's chicken nice.
I mean, you cook the chicken, it's nice.
Me said, Jesus Christ.
Nice, fuck.
Ears.
That is what I cook.
Ears. She burn up his salmon ears. Yeah, she burn up my salmon ears. She.
Come on here.
Wait name?
If you move it.
I find out. I think
Yeah, name.
Antoinette.
Girl, one wicked name.
No, that's just boring.
Boring. Annabelle.
She look like a, yeah. She look like a Annabelle or a
Chloe.
Yeah.
Chloe.
Chloe, right?
Chloe. That fit her. Chloe. Alright, Chloe. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more person for forward. We're going to play Gary's girlfriend in it. And we have him crazy X right now. We're going to play the friend. So, stay tuned. So, vlog girl, we there. We start shoot and thing. You see me, we did the second scene. And them dress up and everything for the second scene right now.
I'm ready to get killed. Yeah.
So, them both for do a little kitchen scene. So, stay tuned for that. A mad thing. Ready? Just laugh. Laugh out the laugh. You ready? Alright. Mark. Say. Jesus Christ. Mark. You ready?
Him now look at me, so him now feel
Shut the eye and talk. Yeah, so shut the eye. What else? If you shut the eye and you look on him. Yeah,
No, that's
so
not funny. Don't shut him again.
no, if him shut him eye, it make it more. It more calmer for him too. So him not have to make eye contact. Trust me. Mark. Oh, he wasn't glad. It's toast. Oh, you want that?
What are you giving?
Don't worry about that, man. That's all right. So you're sure you want to get married?
Yeah. I've been ready.
Jesus Christ. Me cut it. Cut it. So vlog girl. What we call her again, girls? Chloe. So Chloe are going with us. Hey, Tappy. So Chloe are going with herself. Girl is just shoot him, see him. He might go shoot me now and shoot Chloe. So we're gonna go and stay tuned. We never that vlog.
Yeah.
Everything.
I
We don't catch up out there. You burn it up.
We should have somebody extra there just to record where we are recording.
I chew it up.
What if I bloopers and all them something?
Yeah.
But if
What if a bloopers there in this? Yeah man, you are making most mistake. Alright, so ready? Proud of you. You do good. But I'll be a lash. So we just don't shoot. Guys. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. I can't wait for you to see this. Look what we have said. We just put in some microphone right now. This starring me, Gyalis, and we don't call her Arenian. Chloe. So Chloe, do her part good when this drop. I'm gonna make sure to go watch it and like it. Gyalis, so you have to say.
yeah, can't wait to see it, man. I'm the first shot film.
Yo, and about what time now? 10 something? 10:30 right now. Shit.
Yeah.
It's late, so me I try go home, no sleep, for edit this, you see me?
Yeah, man. Post it tonight.
No, tomorrow. So, this is your first time. Oh, remember, a 2 girl did for forward.
Yeah.
Alright, 2 girl did for forward. It end up 1 forward. Me and Gyalis end up switch. The whole concept same time. Yeah. And what the girl let me that go do, we switch it and do it. You see me?
She just texted me 20 minutes ago and said she did on her arena. Tell her about that, mama.
She late. Yeah man, so right now we're about to leave. When my food there, dad, we have to go back there. You see me? Courtney? No you. I'm not Courtney, Chloe. Where me I get Courtney from? Who named Courtney?
William Courtney.
Me no know.
Yeah, I'm just going to share with
Chloe. Alright. Vlog girl, me so forward. So vlog girl, me just reach home. I'm at thing. Me gonna edit the short film and me just shoot right now. So I think me I sleep tonight, you see me? I have that vlog here for edit plus the short film, you see me? So I'm gonna see how long I can stay up and edit when we can edit. But I know when I get the vlog right now. When I watch it, so I get the vlog ready. Probably look out for the short film, you see me? What is my for tell you now? Depending upon how the short film go, we're gonna see if we're gonna do a part 2 to this, you see me? Cause as I say, we change up some of the concept of the whole real idea we did have, and they just work with what we could have worked with at the time, you see me? So if you don't like it and want it to continue, when it drop, you go watch it and make me know, you see me? Mother up on yourself and go and do it for your vlog. Another day, another vlog. Tomorrow.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate